Look up Pinto Beans on Google later. Because I cannot look at this time at the moment because I use my cell phone on live here. And I only have one cell phone. 15, 18, shout out. Guys, please double tap the screen, please. Thank you. And if you want to support the host, the Taga-Bukid host, just click the $sign over here. If you want, not forcing to click it. If you want only. 18, 21, hello.
Bakit ka nag-live lang sa YouTube?
YouTube. What did your cousin say to make you laugh? No, like my brother, I show you my cousin and my brother is there. And my brother didn't want to face the camera or like she didn't want to
Some people.
I don't, basta.
Some people so mean.
Oo, didn't want to.
Because he is so sensitive.
Sensitive like that. 11 viewers. So we are laughing because my brother is upset while the camera.
Hi, Amor!
Live sa Pikas. Mabasawan. Captain Buntot. I am Indonesian. Okay, hi, Indonesian. I'm from the Philippines. 15. I thought she told you a good joke. No. We are like chika-chika here. Catch up for the how many years we didn't see each other. Like I didn't see her 5 years. Yeah, 5 years. No. 7 years. Use Tagalog, yeah. Because I am a Filipina. But here I'm using English today because my viewers are some English.
Now we are now in the
Oh, guwapa kayo. Kasi
Nancy Castiglione.
Oh, 7 years, yes. We are so
Sikat ka para sa mga ma'am, sikat ka sa TikTok.
Live oh. Multi-guest board remove.
My goodness. The bug. I do like your talk. Okay, Captain Buntot. You know what is buntot? Buntot here in the Philippines is like tail. 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 Was that a spider? No, it's a bug from the rice field. Bug like those, you see? No, I cannot. There. The bug.
This mode is only visible to you. You have at least 30 seconds to explore.
Very clear your talk. Okay, thank you so much, Captain Buntot. Very clear my talk. Okay. No, I don't. Buntot is the meaning just last child. Here in the Philippines, buntot is a tail. Like tail of the, like the tail. You know what is tail? Tail of the dog, tail of the cat, tail of the carabao. Like the tail, the buntot, the tail. Basta buntot, tail. 15 viewers and 4 shout out. Okay, tail, buntot is the meaning last child. Okay. 11 viewers and 4. 11 viewers, shout out. Thank you so much. 11 and 4.